In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best action cameras in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you're trying to use an action camera to take videos of yourself, you have to sort of guess where you are in the frame, as you can't look at the screen on the rear of the camera and yourself at the same time. The DJI Osmo Action solves that dilemma, as it has a color screen on its front, which makes it much easier to frame yourself in photos and video. This durable camera also has very good electronic image stabilization, and it also can shoot 4K/60 FPS HDR video. Unfortunately, you can't use HDR and image stabilization at the same time, and there's no way to live stream video from the camera. Still, for selfie enthusiasts, the front-facing camera alone could be worth the price. Number 4. We've tested 360-degree cameras before but never been very impressed with either their quality or ease of use. The GoPro Max changes all that. Not only is the video quality very good, but the GoPro Max stitches together footage from its twin fisheye lenses in camera, which makes it child's play to edit and process the resulting 360 footage. Simply record your footage, transfer it to your phone or tablet, and you can either upload to YouTube as an interactive 5.6K, 30 FPS 360 video that viewers can pan around themselves, or process it using GoPro's amazingly simple reframe editing tool. This lets you take any angle from your 360 video, turn it into regular 1080p video and cut between them. It's like having multiple cameras in one tiny package. Alternatively, you can use the GoPro Max as a regular action camera, using either one of its two back-to-back lenses. In this mode, the camera's amazing max hyper-smooth stabilization and in-camera horizon leveling comes into play, keeping footage incredibly smooth, stable and dead level even if the camera itself is upside down. With top-quality audio from 6 onboard microphones and a built-in touchscreen, the GoPro Max is an incredibly flexible camera. For outright quality, we'd still recommend the GoPro Hero 10 Black, but the Max offers so much more. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2 is a complete stabilized video platform that's small enough, as the name suggests, to fit in your coat pocket. The camera module sits on top of a dedicated, lightweight 3-axis motorized gimbal. This setup allows the Pocket 2 to achieve rock-steady shots while on the go, superior to those you'd get from digital stabilization, and all without the bulk that's usually involved in using a motorized stabilizer. While the Pocket 2 is a standalone camera in its own right, it can also be connected directly to your smartphone. Once paired up, you can use your smartphone can take full control of the device, play back your footage and even share directly to social media. As for the performance, it shoots up to 4K video at 60 FPS and adapts extraordinarily well under low light conditions. Auto exposure works a treat. There's also a wealth of smart shooting modes allowing you to easily create time lapses, panoramas and hyperlapses. The only downside is that it's not waterproof unless you pop it in a case. The Pocket 2 is also compatible with a range of accessories including a wireless transmitter, wireless microphone, wide-angle adapter, ND filters and a charging case. Number 2. Do you want an action cam? How about a 360-degree cam? The answer is, you want both, and now you can get both in one package. Insta360's One RS eliminates the debate by bringing interchangeable lenses to the action camera. There are 3 lenses, or mods. A 4K mod that mirrors which you'll get from the other cameras on this page, a dual-lens 360-degree camera, and a wide-angle Leica lens paired with a 1-inch sensor that's capable of capturing 5K video. The best value lies in pairing the 4K mod with the 360 mod, but if you can afford it, the Leica 1-inch mod delivers some of the best video quality I've seen from an action camera. The updated Insta360 One RS differs from its predecessor in both the 4K mod, which can now actually shoot 5.2K video, and the processor, which brings the company's motion smoothing algorithm to the camera, rather than requiring the app. I also like that Insta360 regularly adds new features and improvements via firmware updates, rather than releasing a whole new camera body every year. Number 1. The Hero 10 Black is GoPro's most advanced Hero to date. Powered by an all-new GP2 processor, the Hero 10 Black supports 5.3K video recording at up to 60 fps, 4K video at up to 120 fps and 2.7K video at up to 240 fps. The camera also boots up faster than its predecessor, offers a higher refresh rate front display, a more responsive rear display and offers faster wired and wireless transfer speeds. The Hero 10 Black packs GoPro's latest and greatest stabilization tech. HyperSmooth 4.0 is the most effective action camera stabilization we've encountered to date, producing buttery smooth footage and calming the jerkiest of clips. Additionally, the Hero 10 offers horizon leveling which, with up to 45 degrees of tilt correction, allows you to keep your videos perfectly level too. For maximum versatility, it offers both front and rear-facing displays, a hydrophobic and scratch-resistant lens and compatibility with GoPro's ecosystem of accessory mods, including the ultra-wide-angle GoPro Max lens mod. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.